After campaigning for the first phase of the Lok Sabha polls, close a few hours are left for the first phase of the polls to take place. Top leaders across parties have now turned their focus on the seats going to the polls in the second and subsequent phases. Union Home Minister Amit Shah will hold roadshows in several parts of Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar today before filing his nomination papers at the Gandhinagar electorate for the Lok Sabha polls. My colleague Mahima Kataria with us on the broadcast. Mahima, if you can take our viewers through the details of Amit Shah's rally is now planned in both Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar.
Well, Devika, at present we are in Kalol, Gandhinagar. That is the constituency of Amit Shah. If I can give you a glimpse and a picture of what exactly are the colours here from the ground. Also, to give a view to our viewers that in the impending Lok Sabha elections, Devika, that will take place on May 7th in Gujarat, Union Home Minister Amit Shah is set to file his nomination for the Gandhinagar constituency on April 19th, and Home Minister Amit Shah is set to hold a mega roadshow at Kalol as well. There will be 7 roadshows by Home Minister Amit Shah in his own constituency and a rally in Ahmedabad ahead of filing the upcoming Lok Sabha polls. The events are expected to draw significant attention and support as Amit Shah mobilizes grassroots efforts and engages with the constituents in preparation for the electoral campaigns. And the colours from the ground, you can clearly see that the number of people who've gathered early in the morning for Amit Shah's roadshow in Kalol marks a significant support that will be extended to Amit Shah when it comes to Gandhinagar constituency. Amit Shah's roadshow will start from Sananda's Ghoda Gadi rickshaw stand at 8 a.m. and will culminate at Sarovar Chowk, and thereafter the roadshow will be resumed from JP Gate where we exactly are in Kalol, and from here is going to go to one of the main chowks. So definitely the kind of public that we can see here on the ground. If I could tell my video journalist to give you a picture of what exactly is happening in the ground, the amount of people that have gathered here, and also what is important, Devika, here is that what all will be done in Amit Shah's roadshow, what all we can expect in Amit Shah's roadshow. There are different cultural dances that are happening here at Kalol. That is the place that we people are in. You can see small little kids dressed up in the Ram avatar and the Hanuman avatar, and also the Gujarati folk songs being played here, the Sanatani songs being played here. But what is to be noted, Devika, here is that the amount of people who have gathered here early in the morning to definitely support Amit Shah, not only in his roadshow, but Gandhinagar being Amit Shah's constituency, definitely give a glimpse to the entire nation that yes, when it comes to Gujarat and when it comes to Gandhinagar, it is 26 of 26 for the Bharatiya Janata Party this time. So nonetheless, that Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Amit Shah have been talking about 400 par, the nara that has been given by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, that is the 400 par. If we talk about Gandhinagar, Amit Shah's constituency, tomorrow is going to file his nomination, but before nomination, the kind of roadshow that he is going to do here in Kalol, you can clearly see the pictures, the colourful pictures that we people are showing to our viewers from Gandhinagar, that how beautiful it looks from the ground, how people are excited, how people are extending support to Amit Shah, be it just the road show before his nomination, but the kind of support that Amit Shah is getting here from the ground definitely gives a message out to the opposition as well that this time the competition definitely is tough. We all know that 26 seats is in the kitty of Bharatiya Janata Party, but this time as Prime Minister Narendra Modi gave a nara of 400 par of NDA and 370 for the Bharatiya Janata Party, it seems that when it comes to Gandhinagar, that is the Lok Sabha constituency of Home Minister Amit Shah, people are really excited before his roadshow and nomination, and have come up in a larger number, a larger picture that we are showing you from the ground, extending their support to their candidate and MP Amit Shah. Devika.
Mahima, will it be possible for us to then speak to some people as well? Let's get a quick understanding of what is the ground pulse there.
Well, Devika, it is a little difficult for us right now to speak to people because there's a security arrangement that has been done before Home Minister Amit Shah arrives, and as you can all see in the pictures that there are a large number of people present here, so the police are trying to segregate people so that they can come to one end and see the road show of Home Minister. Once the people are put aside to one corner, then only it will be possible for us to go to that crowd and speak to people. But what is important here, Devika, that what the grand road show will witness, it will also feature performances of Ras Mandali, that is the Gujarati Garba dance group, Vedic mantras, Rajasthani, Punjabi and Maharashtrian dances on the roads. So this is something very new that you can clearly see that how it is how not only the people who are excited to witness and to see their MP, that is Home Minister Amit Shah, but also to extend the support to this particular constituency and to contribute in Prime Minister's Nara of 400 Par. Devika.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.